2, 1, go. Oh. It spilled out my mouth. I had whiskey too. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I can't chug. Oh wait. It's stuck. Oh man, this is a good beer. I fucking love beer.
You know, I used to have my life in order.
And now you get drunk at 9 a.m. with me? Oh no! No! The beer slipped out of my hand and I spilled it on my fresh sheet. But it's kind of in the shape of a Pegasus with a weird nose.
It looks nothing like that.
It does. It's got like a really long nose. And oh wait, maybe it's a Pegasus mixed with a unicorn.
It looks like fucking Bulbasaur from Gen 1.
Wait. That was huge. I want to do something for the part, guys. Wait. This is for that guy who was like, are you guys doing the farts or not? We are, buddy. I'm just embarrassed.